Today we are going to review HP laptop 15fd000467tu. To best use of this HP laptop, I am going to give you 20 tips and tricks. Welcome back to Freeway Studio. So the first, top with the HP logo with aluminum color as usual with HP laptops. The bottom has the air vents and the dual bottom fired speakers with HP audio boost.
Something I do not understand.
The sound is good, but the loudness is little bit less. On the left, one USB Type A port with 5 Gbps transfer rate. A HDMI port with 1.4B. It's bit old, but it doesn't matter if you are playing the games in your laptop. If you are connecting with projector or TV, it is little older version. HP could have given the updated version for that. Then there is a Type C port and 3.5 mm jack for mic in and out as a combo. On the right, there is a second Type A port and a power connector. The weight of the laptop approximately 1.6 kg. The laptop made of ocean-bound plastic and post-consumer recycled plastic. That is what it is mentioned in the site. But it's same like plastic, we can say in the simple. The build quality is sturdy and feels good in hand. It's not feels heavy and also very easy to carry anywhere. It's not bulky as well. 15.6-inch FHD display, 1980 into 1080p resolution. So sit back and enjoy crystal clear visuals and images with the vibrant quality of 2 million pixels. Watching movies, images, gaming is very clear and crisp, so that's good. Anti-glare panel, non-reflective and a low gloss. That means you will get less glare while you are outside. Very thin bezels running around the screen, so you can get the full view of the screen as well. Webcam 1080p Full HD camera. It's enabled with low light clarity. For video calls, meetings, the clarity is very good. And there is a LED indicator as well. And also you can change which application to access your camera. There is a physical shutter in the camera. It is full keyboard, guys. There is with numeric pad also in the full numeric keypad also. SP will be showing the keys also in the aluminum color, but this time they changed it into gray colors. That is one good change, I can say. It is very good to your eyes. Is it is dedicated emoji key also here. Even you can include in the zip file also. Backlit enabled keys in the F4. It comes with two variant of brightness, dim and bright. Now it is bright and it is dim and it is off. That is very convenient for if you are doing the work in the night time. Usually the power button would be the top left corner, but here it is integrated with the keyboard top layer. Enlarged touchpad. It has a good sensitivity. Double tap to select, pinch to zoom, double finger scroll, tap to right click, slide to navigate, etc. Everything is working fine. Three finger gestures and four finger gestures you can change if you want to keep these gestures for volume or open a selected applications, that also you can do it. So that is one good change. There is enough space to keep your palm rest, so you can type comfortably and it will prevent accidental touch of the touchpad. Powered by 13 Gen Intel Core i5 up to 4.6 gigahertz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 12 MP L3 cache, 10 cores and 12 threads. It delivers more ultra efficient multitasking with 16 GB DDR4 RAM, guys. So multitasking is very good, very easy, very simple to use. Very conveniently you can do the multitasking. Intel Iris Xe graphics card. It's impressive performance for working, gaming, entertainment.
Something I do
The
not
performance are
understand.
very crisp, stunning visuals. So relax and enjoy your favorite content. Operating system Windows 11 Home and MS Office 2024 lifetime subscription. 1 year subscription for Office 365, and you can get 100 GB cloud storage free by registering the HP for 1 year. And it comes with 512 SSD storage, so you will not go out of storage options, and also it is very fast storage and recovering also. That's good. Browsing is okay. A little slowness is experienced when browsing multiple heavy image pages. Once opened, switching between the pages are very smooth. Browsing experience overall it's okay. And we are testing the file transfer speeds. It's not up to the mark, I can say. You can see yourself how fast it is transferring the files. Gaming, unfortunately, I couldn't test it out. The shortage of timing and the data is not enough to download some gaming files. That's why. But this laptop also not gaming laptop. That's why we are not bothering about. Battery 65-watt power adapter comes with the laptop. It will take 45 minutes to charge up to 50%. We got 7 hours of battery life with our testing. With our test includes video editing, browsing, office files usages. So we can say on the normal usages, the battery life is very good in this laptop. As I said earlier, we didn't test with the gaming, and this laptop is not meant to gaming as well. That's why. And we purchased this one in the HP showroom. It comes with a backpack also free, so that is also in good quality. So what we dislikes, first thing, the power button placement. It should be in the separately identifiable area, but it is including in the rows of keys. It's not convenient all the times. Then second one is the HDMI port. They could have given the upgraded version. And there is a lot of 15fd models, guys. Lot of number confusions. 467, 387, 581, blah 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 blah. Why they are confusing with a lot of models in the same range? They could have separated it differently, right? So those are the minor dislikes. It's for students, office workers, and occasional gamers. So those people, this is a very good laptop. It's not breaking your banks as well. Within this budget, they have covered most of it perfectly. If you are using this laptop, please share your experience in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you with the next one. Bye bye.